went to France, I was super excited for croissants and French macarons. But little did I know that we were going to be able to find Southern American soul food right in the heart of Paris. But before we get to that, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul, where we help travelers of color learn how to travel soulfully and with ease. Back to the video. When Craig and I first heard about Gumbo Yaya, we knew that we had to try it for ourselves. African American Southern soul food is one of our favorite cuisines, and I was really intrigued by what it would taste like with French ingredients instead of the usual American ones. As soon as we got there, Gumbo Yaya stood out with its bright red exterior and cool-looking menu. It's small, only a few tables inside, and a picnic table type outside. So we took our food back to our hotel to taste. But let's talk about the menu for a second. It's a cool combo of catchy graphics and straight-to-the-point names for the dishes. Speaking of dishes, it's the usual suspects that you would expect. Chicken and waffles, Nashville hot chicken sandwiches, chicken biscuits, and regular plates of chicken with sides. And the sides include yams, cornbread, mac and cheese, coleslaw, and French fries. And you could even have sweet potato pie or peach cobbler for dessert. We got the chicken and waffles and mac and cheese. The chicken and waffles were great. The waffles had a hint of vanilla, and the chicken was juicy and well seasoned, even if it was just a little bit too spicy for my taste. The mac and cheese was the one thing that I did not really enjoy, and that had to do with the flavor of the cheese that was used. It had a tangy, tart, pungent sort of taste that's different from the flavor profile that you normally expect from mac and cheese. But overall, we'd highly recommend checking out Gumbo Yaya the next time you find yourself in Paris. So that's our experience with soul food in the heart of Paris. If you've been to Gumbo Yaya, let us know what you thought about it in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and forward the video on to someone else. Safe, happy travel.